This is Go Figure, day number 8. Max said he wanted to create an action figure of me because he liked my muscles. What he meant is that he liked the fact that I had been a wrestler and fighter and still worked hard to stay in shape. He said that my action figure would look like other action figures of well-known athletes and heroes. Then Max said that there was still another reason that he picked me to become an action figure. Lesson on the left. It's rewarding to push yourself to stay strong and healthy, regardless of how far you go in sports. So I want to add in here, this was a Dread writing part. I did not write this part about Max liking my muscles. That was Dread, not me. I will say this, though, the lesson on the left, it's rewarding to push yourself to stay strong and healthy, regardless of how far you go in sports. I work really hard still to this day. I'm not competing in anything. Every once in a while, I do a race. I train 6 to 7 days a week. I run, I lift, I do all kinds of different activities. I play a lot of sports with my son who's growing up, with my daughter who's getting involved in different sports. Training, eating properly, taking care of my rest and my sleep, recovery, that stuff gives me a lot of self-confidence and it boosts my self-esteem, regardless of sports, regardless if you're an athlete or not an athlete. Incorporating exercise, incorporating proper nutrition. And I'm not talking about being perfect. Trust me. I love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I love Swiss cake rolls. I love pizza. I love hot wings. I love Pepsi, right? But I eat and drink that within reason because I have bigger goals that eating lots of pizza and Pepsi don't contribute to. Another interesting note here. One of the questions I get asked most from students, how much do you bench press? Another one, how much do you squat? Those are two of the most popular questions I get from students across the country. My advice, my hope is that you buy into this in terms of exercise, proper nutrition, because it will help boost your self-esteem and your self-confidence. You don't have to be a super intense train every day like me and sweat and rah. You don't have to do that. Maybe just start by going for a walk. I'll see you on the next episode.